these are how I've set the lights in. Mounting them on the sidewall is an option. There's a little bracket that allows you to drill a little hole here and put the light in, but the amount of light that cascades off is drastically reduced, as you'll see. This is the best way to have them sitting. Now they're just sitting here. They are protected because of course they're in a stairwell, and the light coming off is amazing. So I'll show you that effect now. Like I said before, you're supposed to mount these on the sidewall, but look at the difference in the light coverage when I do that. So this one would be more like here. So you'd have that, which you can see very dark, versus this. Goes all the way across the other side. Makes much more sense to lay them down. And you get the whole step basically lit up. For what I paid for them, even if I lost them, it's still a better way to place them.